Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to get right into the makeup tutorial. I'm starting off with Burt's Bees, of course, and then this Image skincare, which I love. It's super hydrating, super moisturizing, has the perfect amount of SPF, and it is perfect for summer and glowing skin as well. So I'm just roughly, very roughly putting that all over my face, and then later on patting into the skin. It's time for brows. We're starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I'm going to add this as like a base to my brow. So we're going to put that on really quickly. And then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade in Ebony, as well as the Sephora 2-2 brush. It's an amazing brush. I love filling in my brows with this one. It's perfect. And now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Ebony to fill out my tail. If you're wondering what my compact this is, just the Mineralize, the MAC Mineralize powder in Dark Deepest that I'm always using for my brows. Yay, moving on to complexion. I'm going to start off with the MAC Prep and Prime Stick in Peach Lustre. This is my favorite color correcting. It also brightens as well. And we're going to pat that into the skin with a beauty blender. Now I'll usually use just a foundation brush for this, but because we're in a rush, we only have 15 minutes. We're going to pat this in with a beauty blender just to get it out the way. And now this is my special concoction I love to do with my foundation. This is the MAC Mineralize Foundation in NW47 and 2 pumps of the Armani Fluid Sheer and then the shade number 13, and I blend that together for the perfect glow. Bomb. I love this look so much. I love this combination. And then again, no rush this time. We're just going to go immediately in with our beauty blender. Now I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I'm using the darkest shade on that. And I'm going to use the MORPHE M173 brush. And we're just going to contour our face just a little bit. And then with a beauty blender, we're going to blend that out as well. And I like to pinch the sides so that it can get into those concave and creases into my face. And now I'm I'm going in with the Tarte Shapetape, amazing full coverage concealer, especially if you're gonna go and don't really want to do too much. I'm going to blend this in later with a beauty blender as well. I am in the shade Deep. Patting is such an extensive process, guys. This will take a bulk of your 15 minutes that you have to get ready. And now I'm taking the MORPHE E3 brush and the MAC Mineralize powder, again in dark deepest, and I'm going to set my under eye highlight. I'm also mixing that with a little bit of the Milan Mercier as well, and I'm going to do a slight baking and then quickly wipe it away. And then, because I'm extra and for no rhyme or reason, I'm taking an additional Morphe brush, and this is the 510, and I'm going to just wipe off the excess. Now I'm immediately going back in with the Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Ebony Deep and a Morphe E27 brush, and we're just going to slightly contour and bronze just our eye area as well as our nose. I find that doing this makes my eyes look a little bit more hollowed out and makes me seem like I'm much skinnier than I am, so love doing that. I'm taking the Morphe S4 brush and Boomin in the Sheila ColourPop highlighter, and I'm just going to add those on my brow bone, in between my inner tear ducts, and a little bit on the bottom lower lash line, just to kind of emphasize and brighten up my face. Now I'm going to add some of the Boomin on my eyelid with just my fingers, just so I can get a little bit of shimmer. So I'm just adding that to my eyelids as well, just so I can look a little bit more awake. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline mascara in Boomin Black. This is the Sheila edition. Now I'm going back in with Boomin and a Morphe 510 brush, and now we're going to add a little bit of the highlight. Now I'm going back in with the Morphe 530 brush and Black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony Deep, and I'm just briefly contouring and kind of bronzing my face. Now on for lips, we're going to take my favorite combination of all time currently, the MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil, as well as the Sheila lipstick in Quickie by ColourPop, and then later on I'm going to add Spite MAC Lip Gloss over top.
Like a talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo.
This is a beautiful peachy mid-tone brown shade. Absolutely love this combination. If I didn't use the chestnut lip pencil, I would definitely use cork. It just depends on how intense you want the nude to be. Now I'm going back in with the same brush and the Boom In highlighter and just adding more because I'm extra. Now to finish off the look, I'm adding my Caudalie Beauty Elixir Spray and the look is complete. That is everything, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this look. Please let me know if you like this series. I would love to do one for the fall as well as back to school, so please tell me if this is something that you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching my videos once again, guys. I'll see you soon.